Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are just started out with MATLAB and wants to learn that how to create 3D plots quickly and easily, you are in the right place. In today's video, I'll show you that how to use the powerful plot 3 commands in MATLAB to create a very simple and effective 3D plot. No complex code, no fluff, just a clean and beginners friendly. So open up your MATLAB and let's bring your data to life in 3D. So let's get started. So we are just creating a new script by clicking on a new script, and here an editor window pop up. So we just start working on it, starting with CLC, clear all and close all. After that, we need to define the data for X and Y. Okay, I simply write that simple free the plot using plot tree command. So initially I'm going to define my data, and for that initially I'm going to define my x values. So that should be x is equals to starting from 0, and we have a step size of 0.1 and ending at 10. So these are x values from 0 to 10. Next, I'm going to define my first function, that is sine of x, and I named it y. So y values as sine of x. Next, I am going to define my another function, that is z, that is equals to, okay, need to write small z, cos of x. So z values as cosine of x. After that, I am going to just create my 3D plot. So for that, I am using the command plot 3. After that, I am going to use x versus y versus z. And then I'm going to define my color and style. So color should be red and style is a solid straight line. And then I'm going to define my line width to 2. After that, I am just adding my title and labels. So add label and title. So X label, X axis, Y label, Y axis, and finally we have Z label, Z axis. After that, I'm going to define my title. So my title should be simple 3D, that should be in inverted commas. So simple 3D plot using plot 3 in MATLAB. After that, I want to on my grids. So I'm going to write grid on. Okay, let's run it. Before running it, I'm going to save it on my desktop. So the plot window pop-ups in front of us. So we have a simple 3D plot using plot 3 in MATLAB, and this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, and this is our z-axis, and this is our figure. And there you have it, your first 3D plot in MATLAB using the plot 3 command. That is super simple. So if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more MATLAB tips and tutorials. So got any questions or a topic you want me to cover? So drop it in the comment below. I am here to help you. So thanks for tuning in. I will see you soon in the next video. Take care.